Let's hide photos in Google Photo. Go ahead and launch the Google Photos app on your phone. And now to hide any photo, first of all, we have to enable secret folder. So from your Google Photos app, tap on Collections. Under Collections, scroll down all the way to the bottom and here tap on Locked. And tap on Setup Locked Folder. And now use your fingerprint or your passcode. And here, Backup Locked Folder. If you want to backup your locked folder, just tap on Turn on Backup. In my case, I'm tapping on Do Not Backup my locked folder. Once you successfully enable locked folder, now whenever you want to move any Google Photos to your locked folder, just go to your Google Photos app, select Photos, and now select one or multiple photos you want to lock. And then here you have to swipe to the left and just tap on Move to Locked Folder at the bottom right. And here just tap on Continue. Tap on Move to Locked Folder. And your selected photos will be moved to the locked folder. Now, to see all of your locked photos, go to Collections again. Tap on Locked, verify your pattern. And here you will find all of your locked photos. Now, to unlock any photo, tap on Select. And you can go ahead and select one or multiple photos, tap on Move. And tap on Move items out of locked folder, and all of your locked photos will be unlocked. Thanks for watching.